No, you do not deserve the way he is treating you. You do not deserve the hot and cold behavior. You do not deserve the emotional unavailability. You do not deserve being treated this way. But, and you're not gonna like it, boo, you are being an energetic match to it. That is the only reason you are getting more and more of it. What most people misunderstand and struggle with when it comes to manifestation is that we don't manifest what we want. We manifest what we are. We manifest from our state of being. Whatever you are manifesting currently is because you are being an energetic match to it. Somehow, in there, in your mind, there's beliefs that say that you deserve this type of behavior, that this is what you are used to receiving. And it comes from a lot of pain and confusion from where you were younger, experiences that taught you that that is what you deserve, that you don't deserve to be treated with respect, that you are second best, that you're not good enough. A lot of misconceptions from where we were in painful situations when we were young that led to now being an energetic match to that and attracting relationships that do not give you what you want, that do not give you what you deserve. In order to change things, and this is where manifestation is super powerful, you need to, number one, tend to those old emotional wounds. You need to learn the tools to release those misconceptions and step into an upgraded belief system about you, about love, about life, where you are an energetic match to what you really deserve. When clients get this, manifestation is easy. They manifest exes back, or they manifest a new special person, and they always tell me, this has blown my mind. It is even better than I ever thought that I deserved. And that is what I want for you too. You can 100% learn to shift this.